Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. So if you want to know how to make a public profile on Snapchat, then this is the right video. At first, click on Snapchat, then go to your profile. After that, select on the settings, scroll a bit down until you see view my story, select it to everyone, and then go to contact me, select it to everyone, and then you see me in quick add, make sure this one is on. After that, see my location, make sure this one is turned on to ghost mode so that no one can track you. After that, all you have to do is go and then just minimize this app. Then you have to go to a VPN like Turbo VPN. After it loads, click on tap to connect. Let it find the best server for you. When it connects, you go to Snapchat back again, click on your profile, scroll a bit down until you see create public profile. Now when you click on it, it will say create public profile. Click on get started, create, and that is how you have created a public profile on Snapchat. This is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Goodbye.